So February 28th, 2026 monthly review. So on my data, I have 7 wins, 4 losses, and 3 wins. For overall stats of not total. For the overall stats of right here. For overall stats of 17-11. Okay, kailan? Count percentages na yan. 70 divided by 20. 60%. 60%. Nice. So my uh my goal right here is how can I improve my trading and what I learned for this month and what should I improve for the next month. Okay, so first let's do a trade review. So the first trade, let's go right here. First trade is a win. Okay, it's happened with February 2. So let's look at it. Okay, so let's look for the notes right here. 4 hours bullish. It's okay. It's a trend trade. 1 hour bearish. So since 1 hour bearish, I need to wait for but bullish bearish for that support. That's the thing. Okay, 30-minute bear bullish. Okay, this is a good A plus setup right here. Setup 15 minutes. Entry pack runner, which is good. Awesome. So this is an A plus trade. Okay, A trade. This is an A trade. Next would be a loss. Let's look at it. Next variety, daily bearish. So daily bearish for our doji. That's the thing. For doji, which is right here. And I tried to short. Okay, this is a counter trend trade, I assume. So and the doji for time frame, so means that there's indecision candle, so it don't know where it's gonna go. But I think this is a good counter trend. It's just that I don't have that much data in it. So for now, I think I can let's look at it. I can avoid this trade. I can avoid this loss since I decided that trade I will only trade trend setups. So based on the 4 time, aligned with the 4 time frame. Okay. Next is February 9. Let's look at it. February 9, okay, for bearish, okay, 1 hour bullish. So it needs 30, okay, 30-minute. Like this is a good. Okay, I know what happened. 30-minute bearish, 15%. This is a good setup right here. I would say this is A plus A setup. So what happened here? Let's look for. Okay, that's the thing. I missed the partial point by pips, and I think I learned from it that if I look more to the left, which is right here, there's some sort of support right here which I could use for a partial. So this is the first time that I failed to identify the B point or miss by pip. Okay, so this is a good trade. This is a good trade. This is a bad trade. Good trade. Okay. Next is a loss. Another loss. For is doji. 4 is bullish. Okay, you say bullish. 1 hour is 1 hour bearish support. Okay, 30-minute bullish. So I'm trying to move up. But the thing is, this is another reason. Right, the 30-minute is doji. 30-minute is doji. Okay, 30-minute is doji. So what I did right here, I waited for another 15, which closes bullish. breakout for this continuation. I think that this is a good setup, but the thing is, 30 minutes doji. Unlike this two, unlike this previous two, if you look at it right here, 30 minutes is close, strong, strong candle right here also. So for me, I think this is you should be a cutter. I think this is good. I think this is good. The only thing is the expectation on where this candle to go, since the 30 is a weak candle, so maybe I could have formed setup here, right? I could have take profit right here. Yeah, it hit the level. And look at it, it hit the level right here, which is so it's good. It's just that the expectations is a weak candle, so this be categorized by B best, no, A, B, so this is C. Okay, I think this is good. Yeah, this is good loss, but it needs to be a lower risk. 730, I think this is good. Next, let's go for our bullish. Okay, bullish buys, 1 hour bearish. Okay, 30 minute. This is also 30 minute bearish without support. Okay, bearish at support. So 15 minute bullish, 30 minute is bearish. Okay, so but at support, and there's a 15 minute support, bullish support, or bullish candle. So I think this is a good trade, because really this is this is this is a B trade right here. Okay, B trade. Okay, this is good. The expectation is just gonna move next to resistance, which it did, right? It did, and I take profit right there. Next is let's go right there. I think this is a good trade. 4 hour bearish, wait to it. 1 hour bullish. That's it. So since 1 hour bearish, I need a 30 minute gap. 30 minute close, bearish, strong, and breakout. So this is a good 4 week fill. So decide just please to continue to go down, or maybe fill this week. And what it did, it hit the level. Yeah. This is an A setup. I should say this is an A setup. Enter for our lows for a big fill. Anything with it? Right? This is an A setup. A setup. Next would be, and that's a win, right? And that's a okay. Next would be for our bullish. Bullish? Is this bullish or bearish? I think this is bearish. Yeah, this is bearish. For us bearish. See that here. For us bearish. This is silver, okay. 1 hour bullish. But 30 minute close bullish with this big rejection week. But at resistance. I think this is good. This is a good trade. But silver, I think it is that this. I understand that this is very similar. Look at past trades, right? Past trades. I think this is good. This is good. Very bullish, but where? I think bullish, but where? Closing below resistance. I think this is good. Trade. Nice. For our bullish, bullish, so we buy it when our bearish right here, but 30-minute bearish, okay, but the 15 is bullish, the same bearish, but we're at support, bearish but at support, and the 15, so there's a chance for this to continue to move up, which it did. Yeah, but this is the only 30-minute. The 30-minute is gonna use the 30-minute is bearish, so maybe this is only a P setup. Termasa. Next it is a P. What's this? 4 bearish, bullish buys, 1 bearish, okay. 30-minute bearish support, okay. 15-minute support. I think this is a good. What's this? Silver, another silver trade. I think this is very similar to my past trades, but the thing is, 15-minute. This is base and 15-minute, right? 15 minutes. So this is so maybe it's gonna. Let's look at it to the left, to the previous one. This is B. This is C. This is also base and 15. Move up. Maybe that's in the support resistance. Maybe it's about but resistance is above, so this shares this still to move up. Right. 15-minute. Well, yeah, 15-minute. So that's it, like 15-minute. Unless if there's a 15 resistance. Unless it's a real point for you to go up. Yeah, this is a loss. NQ, no. So for this loss, I decided that I will not trade any other pair except gold. Get stop, but let's look at it. Daily bullish, 4 bullish buys, 1 are bearish, okay, 30-minute bullish. So this is a good trade, right? 15-minute breakout. This is a good trade. If this is gold, this is at A plus setup. A setup. But the thing is, the wicks right here, it tapped me out, right? I thought that after testing this breakout level, it can move up, so put that there. But yes, it break the highs and it break the lows. For a 55, I guess it goes up, so that's the thing. That's the thing right there. Very the same. Yeah. After for a period back, I entered with it, so that's an FP. So these two right here may not be happen. These two right here may not be happen. Maybe should wait to see what's happened. I think it's because if this is gold, after testing that level, it should not. Because it really does the reach. If this is gold. Next, this is a double W. I think this is good. 4 bearish, beautiful, nice. 1 bullish. Yep. So what I waited for the which it did, and boom, go down. Touch this. This is a good trade. This is an A plus setup. Nothing more, nothing less. It's all my trades are very similar now. Very, very similar. Looks very similar. Next, another W. The same, right? 4 bearish. For daily bearish, 4 bearish, so only sells 1 are bullish. Yep. 30-minute bearish right out. Boom. 15-minute bearish right up. Boom. This is very good. A plus setup right here. And the same since break slow, so I put my stop. So very the same at the NQ rate, it move up, break that highs before going down. Yeah, that's the thing. A very similar concept, but the NQ did more weeks before going to target. That's the thing. And another M right here. I think 15-minute expectation right here. Yeah, in 15 minutes I should mm, if it's 15 minutes, unless it's quick to feel, I need to move aggressively, right? Because this is for bullish. Yep, suffice. Paying those maybe a background participant will work and bullish. So 1 hour is bearish at support. Shoot 30-minute doji, 15-minute right here. This is a 15-minute level right here. So after background to yep, it move up, but there's a resistance which it was touched. I think this is a good trade, but this is only a C risk. So what should I do? So I think all my trades is very similar. I think that this is, let's put this as an orange, like not that is manageable. Okay, this is deletable. This one loss right here, I think this is also this is also manageable. This is manageable. This is 15 minute, 30 minute, not that great. 15 minute. So I'm more aggressive. Based on the data, my data. So if this 30 minute, I think let's put it in 15. This is 15 cents. Could the doji? Can I look into it? Let's remove these colors right here. Colors. What's it white? Okay. So for the next month, should do what I plan. Okay. And do what I. So what's my plan for the next month? Oh, it's lagging. For the next month, I think should I take the same size? Yeah, APC expectation, because there's so many trades like that. Yeah, it's based on the data that I'm gonna do. So put a separate wall right there. Put it right. So this is an A setup. A setup. A risk setups and B setups. B setups. So criteria number 1. $30 it should be based on 30 minutes, right? So that means that what it means. So if this is a buy setup right here, therefore is bullish. the 4-hour time frame is bullish. So it means I'm only trend trading, so this means we should look at the buys. And this is a 30-minute bullish. So this is the thing. If 30-minute close bullish, 30-minute expect bullish to close. So 30-minute. If there is a 30-minute confirmation, I would be willing to repeat A plus A steps. If, for example, it should be based on 15 closes. So here the same, since I'm a trend setup, force bullish. But here, the 30 close weak. Right here, close is weak. Here, so it needs to look. Yep, that's it. Weak, not strong closure. So anything to it should be managed aggressively. Looking for 15-minute levels, much more right here. So this is the standard. If it's a 30-minute closure and it's a strong, so that's A. If it's not, then and the conditions is willing to enter here because of the 15-minute levels. So then it's gonna be B. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do for the day. Let's save this. Yeah. Ayun. That's it. So what I learned this month. Let's do learnings per month today. Let's start a word. Learning this month. Right. Learnings. Learnings. February 2026. Let's do one. Deeper upstanding. First would be deeper. No. One. The power of trend trading. Okay. The nuisance of 30M versus 15M. Yep. I learned that. Okay. Tapos, trade sizing. Possible criteria for trade sizing. So, may line. Focused on gold trade. Quite only. Okay, that's it. Next would be goal for March. What? Hmm. March should be good for March should be trade according to trade sizing. Okay, two. So yan, sabay goal trade sizing. Trade sizing, yep. Like that. Tapos kuan. Gather data. Gather data for counter trend setups. Okay, gather data for counter trend setups. So trade on XFA counter trend setups range 2 along with the clubhouse. Something like that. That's it. See. That's it. So see you next month.